Hey guys, what's up? So two weeks in the top best trade sheets, 5 is 11, 12, and 13, and 13.7. The first sheet is called Escape. A fake incoming call to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. This is your SB data or data. There's different numbers. There's .30 this one, and basically it's just a theme. This sheet is called Evil Scheme. Basically change default browser, package manager, navigator, and more. This sheet is called Lisa. Customize your lock screen experience. This is called Live Kitten. Library to get 3 different colors from an image. This is called Violent. Sweet addition to your wallpaper. This is called Switch Confirm. Confirm before switching apps. So if you automatically open apps automatically, maybe through some like websites or open an app store, if this is for you, so you try to open it, it'll ask you, I'll give you a prompt. Make sure that you are trying to open it. You can press allow or no thanks. This is called Libnebs, collection of custom preference related classes used in most of my tweets. For replacement of lib Tyler dev. So if this is installed on your device, it is likely because you're using one of my tweets or a tweet that I worked on. This is called Genesis. Basically supports iOS 13, 13.7. Aims to allow users to customize the things that Apple doesn't normally allow, made for people who are tired of waiting for Apple to give us a redesign. This is called Miriam. It customize your phone forever, so you basically one of the best tweets to customize your phone with. So this is called Auto Touch. Other one's Auto Touch with input text. Basically, they do the same thing. Allows you to record and playback touch operations, play macro scripts automatically. So you can touch somewhere on the screen and you can replay it. So automatically it keeps doing it for you. So it could be useful in a lot of cases with depending on the app or game, like clicking apps, like just tapping apps. It's definitely useful. Or even like you can use Clash Royale. You could just like I don't know, if you want to keep losing to get your trophies down, then you could easily go back up in 1v1. You can just keep pressing on like 2 spaces, so like automatically like you lose, and then and then when the game's over, we're going to start another battle. So you just leave your phone there and then walk away, and then you'll be down like 1,000 trophies or 500 trophies. This is called Files of File Managers. Also Files Manager for 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, just install this one. If you're 64-bit, you can install either one. I installed this one no matter what, but 64-bit is only for 64-bit, obviously. But basically, File Manager is a must-have tweak. File Manager for iPhone, iPad Touch, or it's iOS 7 and up. And you also could use this to install like IPAs. This is called HomeKit Remote Hub Enabler, and basically, you can set your iPhone as a HomeKit remote hub and control HomeKit remotely without the need of Apple TV Gen 4, an iPad, or iOS 10 or HomePod. So make sure you guys read the warning, because it stores some kind of like file which you cannot remove apparently. So just make sure you guys read that. This is called App Library Controller. Control App Library. This is called Float Lyric XI. I guess your lyrics float. This is called Not an Imposter. See fellow crewmates from Among Us games who are falsely accused and ejected across iOS 6.0 or later. This is called One Hand Wizard or One Hand Wizard 2. Basically solves one of the biggest issues we have with newer iPhone displays. So it kind of strengthens it, you can see. So it allows you to basically, just use one hand to control your whole screen. So if you have a bigger device and you have small hands, this is the perfect tweak for you. This is called CC Music Artwork. Show albums artwork behind the music module in the iOS 11 to 13 control center. This is called Top Down 11 to 14. Small, ugly, and bad tweak. A couple of icons top of your settings to scroll top and bottom in the preferences page. This is called No Vol or Scrub. High volume slider and music progress bar. This is called No Volume HUD. And it gets rid. A tiny tweak that hides the volume HUD on system wide. This is called No Color Dots. Tiny tweak that gives the chance to totally get rid of the iOS 14 orange, green, small dots in the status bar control center. Live status label every time you your phone is using the microphone or camera app. This is called Require Full. Makes all of your iPad apps work for slide over and split screen. This is called Chat Bubble with Messenger extension. Chat Bubble with Messenger support. This is called Chat Bubble with Lite, inspired by Android 11 Chat Bubble. This is called Eclipse Dark Mode iOS 12. It gives you dark mode for iOS 12 system wide. This is called Random Icon Flip. Home screen icons flipping over at random. This is called Game Boy Dots Iconomatic. See, yep, Iconomatic. And basically, instead of Game Boy dots, you need Iconomatic for these to look right on your device. And the last one is called What to Sue Tools, Library for What to Sue, and WhatsApp Tweets. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys next one. And yeah, peace.